What up, YouTubers? Sorry for my appearance. I've been kitesurfing for 2 days in a row and I'm all tanned and I've got salt in my eyes. Falling to bits. I've got a bit of time on my hands right now thanks to lockdown, so I'm making all sorts of YouTube videos and experimenting with things, gesticulating and getting excited about shit. This video, very quickly, is about my radio control plane and how I stuck a GoPro on the top. Let's get to it!
It's called the beach.
Hello, it's Scott Manley here. Only joking. There's me, there's my radio control plane, there's a transmitter, and just about ready to launch any second now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and hoik it. If you look to the bottom right of the cockpit, you'll see a screw moving back and forth. That's the elevator controls. There's my girlfriend in the car, incidentally sipping on some Prosecco at the time. There's my little speck on the ground. A bit of a zip past there. Up we go for another fairly dreary... Oh, it's a right turn this time. That's just to spice things up, see? A bit like an air show, exciting. There's no canopy on the nose. I tend not to care so much for canopies because they're kind of superfluous. Now, did you hear that? That was the motor pulsing, and I haven't figured out why. I don't know what it means, but it can't be good. So coming back into land this time. About to cut the power to the motor, which is a good idea for landing. And then, there we go. Bit of a controlled crash because there's no runway to sort of skid along. No wheels or anything like that on the plane. Cue other Jason.
And that's how we do that. Good night.